about your civil rights. You demand that I eternize your name. Walk ahead. You cover us in shame and I take the blame. Living by them rules, teen witch, high school blues. Walk ahead. You cannot keep provoking, and blood red sun starts choking. Can anyone stand this nonsense? Eating away, telling us to stop and obey, to stop and obey. Now rats can shine and jokers got silver lining, and Holy Mary sings songs in the wet rain. Walk ahead, walk ahead. Now every new day is a new fire. Onto my teeth, call me a liar. Building as you rip, someone show me someone living of desire.